You know how they say, get it out the mud. I've been having to get it out the mud. Okay. Hello, my name is Denisha Johnson. Welcome to the channel if you are new. Shout out to all my returning subscribers. Y'all are the bomb.com. Let's get right into this video. So, today's video is going to be a little bit different from the rest of my videos. Today, I'm going to be talking about starting a YouTube channel in 2023. Crazy, right? The years have been flying by. I feel like 2020 was just here. Like, what? But we already in 2023. And I am still a new up-and-coming YouTuber, but I did want to make this video. I have made a similar video on my channel about 6 months ago when I had 36 subscribers, and by the grace and glory of God, I am currently at, let me check how many subscribers I got as of making this video.
3 hours later.
I am at 697 subscribers at the moment. And y'all, let me tell you something right now. It has not been easy. It's truly been a test of my discipline, my faith, and my mental strength. Okay? Let me just tell you right now. If somebody tells you that starting a YouTube channel and being consistent with the YouTube channel is easy, they're lying. Okay, let me take that back. Starting a YouTube channel can be easy, but staying consistent with the YouTube channel is really where that struggle come in, honey. Let me tell you right now. Because I would be lying to tell y'all that my journey to getting 697 subscribers was like peaches and cream. Now, there are people who get all this notoriety really quickly. Let me tell you right now, that has not been my story, okay? You know how they say, get it out the mud. I've been having to get it out the mud, okay? I did not have a separate social media platform where I had all these supporters and I just transferred them over to YouTube. No. Now, okay, I've been having to really get it out the mud, but I feel like that makes it all the more better. Like, when I look back at where I came from, I'm gonna really be grateful that I kept pushing, because I'm gonna say, man, I really worked for this, and it's all glory to God. Like, I ain't trying to take none of God's glory. I'm just saying, like, you kept pushing, you kept grinding, you kept getting on your stuff, pushing that content out, and I know it was not easy. And due to the fact that I have been getting it out the mud, I can be all that more grateful that I kept pushing. When I keep hitting my goals, keep reaching my dreams, I will be so much more grateful that I kept pushing and that I did not give up in spite of all the hardships and all the tests and tribulations. I kept going, and I'm gonna be grateful for that much more. So let's get into starting a YouTube channel in 2023. Okay, now I started my YouTube channel like 2 years ago, but I did not start consistently posting until about 9 months ago. So in about 3 months, that will make a year of me consistently posting on YouTube. And it's crazy because I feel like that time kind of flew, no lie. But as a lot of y'all already know, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in order to get monetized. But from what I have heard, and y'all can Google this to make sure, but from what I have heard and Googled myself and found, is that they have lowered the monetization requirements. So you now only need 500 subscribers and 3,000 watch hours in order to get monetized. But I was watching someone's YouTube video, someone who is higher in success in YouTube, and he was saying that although they have lowered those monetization requirements, there are still some things you won't have the benefits of until you still reach that 1,000 subscriber count and then 4,000 watch hours. I don't know how true that is, but that's from what I heard. But I have done my own research and found that it is accurate that they have lowered the monetization requirements to 500 subs and 3,000 watch hours. So I think that's pretty cool, because me myself, for example, I am over 500 subscribers, but I'm still kind of fighting for them watch hours. I ain't gonna lie, I think I'm a little over 1,000 watch hours. And I used to hear people say getting the subscribers is easy, it's the watch hours that's hard. I used to think they was capping, but now that I'm a content creator myself on YouTube, I know that that was 100% accurate. Like, getting those watch hours, it's not for the weak. Okay, like, man. And then the thing that sucks is that YouTube shorts, they do not count towards watch hours. I did not know that. There was a time when I was consistently posting YouTube shorts And I'm looking at my watch hours like, why in the world are they not going up? And then I researched and found out that YouTube short watch hours do not count towards your monetization watch hours. So that's something that I want to mention because I really don't hear people talk about that. So I'm gonna put you on. But starting a YouTube channel in 2023, equipment. Now let me tell y'all something right now. My most viewed video on my YouTube channel as of right now, July 4th, 2023, is a video that I recorded with my iPhone. Okay, now what I'm recording with right now is my new camera I got, I want to say 4 months ago maybe. This is the Sony ZV-E10, and my highest viewed video on my channel was not recorded with this camera, with this $1,000 camera. It's really a little bit less than that, but I got the whole kit, so it was $1,000. But it was recorded with my iPhone. And that goes to show you that you do not need the most expensive camera in order to make YouTube happen, like for real. You could use your iPhone. But one thing I will say, and I will always preach this, is good lighting. You want to make sure you have some good lighting, because whether you have a okay phone or the best camera, you still want to make sure you have lighting, because that could really make or break the quality, the visual quality of your video. Next, I would recommend having a tripod, but even if you don't have a tripod, just have like a table or something you can use to sit your phone up. But really, I guess at the end of the day, it depends on what kind of content you're making. Like for vlogging, for example, I think that a tripod would be beneficial. But like when I started off recording in the gym, for example, I would like sit my phone up against my water bottle. But the only thing with that is that you can't get like high views. You can only get a certain angle. So really, make the best out of what you have. Make the best with what you have. Like, you don't gotta be going out and buying all this crazy expensive stuff, because like I said, when I recorded that hair video, my most viewed video, I was like doubting myself. I wanted to delete the video instantly after I uploaded it, because I'm like, nobody gonna watch this, nobody gonna be interested in it. And then not even a day later after me posting it, it started going crazy on the numbers. And so I feel like that goes to show you, like, work with what you got. Like, just be you. When I did that video, I was literally just doing my hair. I always do my hair. My signature style is crochet braids. My channel consists of a lot of hair videos, and that is where a lot of the growth on my channel came from, my hair videos. And that was just me being me. I was just doing my hair like I always do. And you may be doubting yourself, feeling like people are not gonna like your video, they're gonna think you're boring. But I say go for it. Even if the video flops, you are that much closer to at least trying to build your channel. And you never know when that one viral video will happen for you. So push that content out, work with what you have, but make the best out of it. Like, you could have what you feel like is the most boring life, but it's what you make of it. Make it look interesting, but be you at the same time. Like, for real, be you. But let me say this right here. If you don't get nothing else from this video, I want y'all to understand that you should just start. Just start. Like I said, work with what you have, but at the end of the day, start. Like, I was at a stage where I was doing all this research on YouTube, on Google, trying to figure out what are the best tips to start a YouTube channel. When at the end of the day, I really just needed to start. Like, just start. You're going to get better as you go and as you keep pushing that content out. So don't be so strategical and logical about everything. Sometimes you just gotta learn as you go and grow as you go, and that's okay. There's so many things for me to learn, but there's also so many things I have learned in these 9 months of me being consistent on YouTube that I would not have known if I did not experience it myself. Like, you could watch 1,000 of these videos how to start a YouTube channel, but there's just some things that I cannot tell you and teach you, because those things are going to be things that you learn as you go along the way. And that's just the truth of the matter. Not everybody will admit that to you, but I'm telling you right now. And I found myself getting frustrated, like, man, nobody talks about this. But then I had to think about it, like, I can't even be mad at them, because there's just some things you just really will learn through experience, and that's even life in itself. So just get started. I believe in you. I'm rooting for you. You for real, you got this. One thing that has really helped me grow my subscriber count in particular is creating YouTube shorts. Man, I think like, how in the world did people grow their channels without YouTube shorts? I mean, obviously it's possible because there are people who have found success on YouTube before shorts even became a thing. But me personally, I have found it successful to create YouTube shorts because since they're new, I think YouTube is really pushing people's videos out. For some reason though, I do notice that a lot of YouTube shorts, they stop at 1,500 views, which I don't know why. But even then, even though it kind of caps off your views, at least in my experience and some other people's experience whose videos I've watched, I still have noticed that it still brings a lot of growth to my channel. And although the watch hours from YouTube shorts do not count towards monetization, a lot of times people will still check out some of my other videos. And I have found that pinning comments to my long form videos, pinning those in the comments of my YouTube shorts, have also brought traction to those longer videos. And obviously people are going to watch those longer videos, and that will count towards those watch hours for your monetization process. So it's just little things here and there. Now that is something I did learn from watching another YouTuber. But YouTube, and the best way I could describe my process on my journey so far on YouTube is literally trial and error. Like I said, there are some things that I have learned from other YouTubers, but there's just so much to learn. Even just learning your style. I feel like I'm still learning my style on YouTube. I'm still figuring out my editing style and what I like, but I will not know that if I don't at least start somewhere, and if I don't keep trying and keep trying different things. Sometimes you have to try different things. And I know a lot of people say niche down, niche down. I ain't gonna lie, I don't have just one niche on my channel. I have kind of quite a few. I feel like I do hair, I do lifestyle, I do fitness, and I don't know if that's hurting or growing my channel not having one niche, but that's for me to find out. Everyone's channel will be different. Everyone's growth success story will be different. But at the end of the day, you gotta go and chase that yourself. You can't just depend on my YouTube video to tell you step by step what to do. I can give you the foundation, but you gotta take that baton or whatever they call it in the race, and you gotta run with it and fly high. But no, a lot of things will be trial and error. Am I saying that right? That word right? Trial and error. Yes, y'all know what I mean. Trial and error. But at the end of the day, what could you really lose if you can at least say you tried? If you can at least say you tried, I don't feel like you failed for real, because you tried. If you did your best, I think that's what really matters. But I don't want to make this video too long. This might just be part one. Let me know if y'all want to hear some more, because I could talk about this probably a lot. You know what I mean? A lot. And I feel like I want to talk more about it. But it's the 4th of July and these firecrackers are going, and I don't want that to be interrupting my video. So if you want to see part 2, you're going to have to comment down below. You're going to have to like this video. If you are new to my channel, shout out to you again. YouTheBomb.com. Shout out to everybody that been rocking with me. I love y'all. Y'all are thebomb.com. I pray that y'all stay blessed. Jesus Christ loves y'all. I love y'all. Peace, love, and blessings.